2007 Jeep Patriot catalytic converter manifold assembly. Catalytic converter's on the lower half. O2 sensor goes in the top. And as you can see, I've got some cracks here and here. Now, in order to remove this, I had to remove the coolant reservoir and the power steering reservoir, and remove this motor mount that goes down in here to create room. As you can see, the engine is falling. To create room to get that catalytic converter manifold out of the top. Also had to remove the lower cross member. I just left the front bolts in, took the back bolt entirely out, gave me plenty of room to drop it and remove the catalytic converter and put the new one in. Okay task if you're willing to take it out on your own. It's easier if you've got a lift and something to get underneath of it. But I just used orange ramps, and you got to have a jack to support the engine. But it's not too bad. You can handle it if you want to try it.